this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys real quick a new series that I'm going to start on Sunday, October the 10th. This would just simply be called the Sweet Treats series. And in this series, I'll be just sharing sweet treats. And so what I'm doing, I'm preparing for a sweet treats kit that I'm going to put together. You guys really responded well to my bee kits that I created a month or so ago. It went over really well with you guys. So I decided to do another little mini series where I'll just be sharing some things that I'll be creating and possibly including in the kit. And I'm going to have 5 kits this time that I'm going to sell. So I would like for you guys to join me, just follow me along as I create some sweet treat theme projects to include in this kit, okay? And then after the series, I'll come on and reveal the sweet treats kit. And like I said, I'll have 5 available for sale. So what you see before you are some of the things I've already kind of started working, and I've shared some things in previous videos of some things that I've created. This is what I call my cotton candy ice creams. And I thought they turned out really cute. So I'm going to try to include these in the kit. And the reason I said I'm going to try to include it because it depends on, how much will actually fit in the box. So we'll just have to kind of see, and, you guys will get to see that at the reveal. But I'm just playing around and coming up with some really cute things. I think you guys will really love this kit. It's going to be jam-packed. My kits come jam-packed full of goodies. I have handmade goodies as well as store-bought goodies inside of the kit. So I have a combination of both, okay? So the series will start tomorrow. I don't have a time. Just look for the videos uploads on Sundays, okay? So just come to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. I love to do giveaways on this channel, so you will be blessed by following my channel, okay? So hit that subscribe, and then while you edit, go ahead and hit that bell to be notified when I upload a video, and hit the like. Hit the like for my videos. That helps my videos a whole lot, so don't forget to hit the like. But I am excited, you guys. I'm going to come with some really, really cute things. I'll have some cute ideas that you may want to try yourself. So just tune in. And then after I do the 4 videos, uploads on Sunday, I'll do the reveal like a couple days, later. I have to get everything together. Then I'll come on and I'll do the reveal. That's how I did the bee kit. I like how that kind of played out. You guys kind of followed me along, and I decided that's what I'll do from here on out when I do my kit. Let me share something else I created. I shared these 2 in a previous video. These turned out so cute. These are the yarn lollipops. So I think I'm going to include these. I have to make some more of these. I only have 2, so I have to make 3 more to go in the kits. So these are the cute items that will come in that kit. Isn't that scrumptious? I love this. This is going to be so fun. So make sure you guys join me. I'm going to give you a closer look if you haven't seen my ice cream cotton candies. This ice cream cone actually came from the Dollar Tree. So it was a plastic ice cream. I took that top off, and did I take the top off? I can't remember how. Yeah, I did. I took the plastic top off, and then I stuffed the pretty yarn inside of the hole and just kind of wrapped it. And it turned out so cute. And then I put this cute cabochon here. So I have 5 of these already made up. I gifted one of them to my crafty friend, Markeisha. So that's what I have. I just wanted to come on and share with you guys and let you know that I'm going to be doing this. So join me. Let's have fun together. And that's it. That's all, you guys. And until next time, I'll see you tomorrow sometime It'll be Sunday. I just don't want to do a time right now, because life happens and all of that. So I'm just gonna upload on Sundays, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for supporting my D-stashes. I really appreciate it. I've uploaded like 3 D-stashes today, and all of them sold. So thank you guys for supporting my D-stashes. And I just like to do things like that. I have so much stuff, and I don't want to get overwhelmed, and I don't want my craft room to become cluttered, and things like that. So I'm going to be just randomly, I'll do things like that. I have some more D-stashes, of course, coming. Just to give you a heads up, I have a Halloween lot I'm going to work on, with a lot of Halloween stuff that I did not get a chance to play with, that I didn't use. So I'm going to de-stash some of that. I may do some wood stamps, and I may do some embossing folders. So that'll be next week sometime, when I, got to get that together. But stay tuned, you guys. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.